Meaning of incredulity.
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 Incredulity. Incredulity refers to a state of disbelief or skepticism, typically in response to something surprising or unexpected. When someone experiences incredulity, they may find it difficult to accept a particular idea or concept due to its seeming implausibility. This can lead to feelings of confusion, doubt, and even cynicism. In some instances, incredulity can be a helpful tool in promoting critical thinking and analysis, as it encourages individuals to question assumptions and investigate alternative explanations. However, excessive incredulity can also hinder progress and prevent people from taking necessary risks or exploring new opportunities.